Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Epson Lifestudio Pop Plus 4K PRO-UHD personal lifestyle projector. This device is packed with cutting-edge features that will revolutionize the way you enjoy entertainment and create memories with your loved ones. From its stunning 4K PRO-UHD display to its exceptional audio and seamless streaming capabilities, this projector is a game changer. So, let's dive in and see what makes it so special. First off, the Epson Lifestudio Pop Plus boasts an incredible 4K PRO-UHD display with 700 lumens of color brightness and 700 lumens of white brightness. What does this mean for you? It means you get to enjoy big, bright, and beautiful visuals up to 150 inches, making it perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or even backyard projections. The picture quality is simply stunning, with vibrant colors and crisp details that will leave you mesmerized. Whether you're watching your favorite TV show or a blockbuster movie, the Epson Lifestudio Pop Plus ensures an immersive viewing experience that will keep you on the edge of your seat. But what's a great picture without equally impressive sound? That's where the integrated stereo system with sound by Bose technology comes in. This exceptional audio setup brings every moment to life with crystal clear sound that's both nuanced and powerful. From the subtlest whispers to the most explosive action sequences, the Epson Lifestudio Pop Plus delivers an audio experience that's nothing short of breathtaking. Whether you're a music lover, a movie buff, or a gamer, you'll appreciate the attention to detail and the immersive quality of the sound. Now, let's talk about the Epson Projection Studio app, which allows you to create and share personalized videos on the big screen. This is a fantastic feature that lets you relive your favorite memories in a whole new way. Imagine being able to project your vacation videos, birthday messages, or wedding slideshows onto a massive screen, complete with music, transitions, and effects. The app is incredibly easy to use, and the results are nothing short of magical. You can even share your creations with friends and family, making it a great way to connect with loved ones and preserve cherished moments. The Epson Lifestudio Pop Plus also comes with built-in Google TV, giving you access to a vast library of streaming services, including Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, and more. This means you can stream all your favorite shows and movies directly to the projector without the need for any additional devices or cables. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it a breeze to find what you want to watch. Plus, with the convenience of voice control, you can simply speak your commands and let the projector do the rest. Last but not least, the Epson Lifestudio Pop Plus features EpiqSense 2.0 auto setup, which delivers perfect focus, color, and alignment in seconds. This means you can start enjoying your favorite content faster, without the hassle of manual adjustments. The projector also comes with a range of other innovative features, including a 3-chip, 3-LCD triple-core engine, which ensures vivid colors and crisp details. With its compact design and lightweight construction, the Epson Lifestudio Pop Plus is the perfect companion for any occasion, whether you're hosting a party, having a family movie night, or simply relaxing with some music. In conclusion, the Epson Lifestudio Pop Plus 4K PRO-UHD personal lifestyle projector is an incredible device that offers a unique blend of stunning visuals, exceptional audio, and seamless streaming capabilities. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a movie buff, or simply someone who loves to create and share memories, this projector is sure to exceed your expectations. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Epson Lifestudio Pop Plus today and experience the future of entertainment. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. With its unparalleled picture quality, immersive sound, and innovative features, this projector is sure to bring people together and create unforgettable moments. So, go ahead